This video, we will look at how to add a new client. Whenever you get your subscription for the first time and get your um, website to log in, this is going to say guest client, and you'll click on that and then click create new client. So that will bring up the client profile. You'll type in the person's first name, that person's last name. If this is for yourself, you'll type in your own information, the email address, the gender, male or female. This drop down will choose pounds or kilograms, and then you can choose feet, inches, or centimeters. I do everything in inches because I'm not quite sure how to type it out for feet. So I do everything in inches. That was the when I first started, it was inches or centimeters only. So I've just gotten used to doing inches. So I choose inches, do the math to figure out the inches. Pro tip, 5 feet is 60 inches. So if they're 5 feet, whatever, then it's 64 if they're 5'4". Anyway, that was quick, easy. Learn for me. You put in their birth date and you can type here. So I'm just choosing the date. Um, or you can scroll through, whatever you prefer. It's easier to type. If you would like to add a picture to the profile, this is no longer necessary. Honestly, all of this information, as long as you have the first and last name of the person, I prefer at least having the first and last name and their birth date and their gender. I have done that with some different people that weren't comfortable giving other information. Um, but the would be a picture, so you can choose to upload a picture and choose the person's picture and then hit next, or you can leave the picture space blank. I have been leaving the picture space blank a lot lately, just because it saves a step. It still works. So it's kind of up to the client whether or not they want their picture in there. Click next, it'll create the profile and bring you back to this page with whoever you just created at the top here.